Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fade in and fade out media like videos and like audio. So for the video one, you're just going to select your video and you're going to select animation and you're going to add in a fade in animation, and here you can adjust the duration of that fade in. And to add in the fade out, just go to out and select the fade out animation. To do that to your audio, you can simply select this bit right here to fade in and fade out, or you can also select an audio and go to the basic bit and select fade in and fade out over here. And again, as you can see, you can also use select the circle and drag it around. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!